Convert each fraction to a finite decimal if possible. If the fraction cannot be written as a finite decimal, then state how you know. You may use a calculator, but you must show your steps for each problem. The way that we know it is finite is if, when reduced, the denominator is made of 2's and 5's. So 2 over 32 can be reduced to 1 over 16. And then we want to break down our denominator into its pieces. So 16 is 2 times 8. 8 can be rewritten as 2 times 4. 4 can be rewritten as 2 times 2. Since this is written with only 2's or 5's, it is finite. But to get it to be a decimal, we want to multiply by 5 to the 4th power so that we have the same amount of 5's and 2's. And 5 to the 4th power times 1 comes out to 625. And if you have 4 2's and 4 5's, that's a 1 with 4 zeros after it. So 2 over 32 as a decimal is going to be 0.0625. Now for number 2. 99 can be rewritten as 9 times 11. 125 could be 25 times 5. 25 can be rewritten as 5 times 5. 9 can be rewritten as 3 times 3. And we still have that 11. None of those pieces reduce or divide out. So we want to multiply it by 3 sets of 2. So that we have the same amount of 5's and 2's. So if we do 99, or 3 times 3 times 11, times 3 sets of 2's, we should end up with 792. And since we have 3 sets of each, that means we have 3 sets of 10. And as a decimal, this would be 0.792. Now in number 3, we have 3 times 5 in the top. 128 can be split into 2 and 64. 64 can be rewritten as 2 times 32. 32 is rewritten as 2 times 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 2 is 4. None of those things divide out. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sets of 2. So we need 7 sets of 5. So then on the bottom we have a 1 with 7 zeros. And on the top, when we do 3 times 5, and then times that by 5 to the 7th power, we get 1,171,875. So as a decimal, when you divide that by 10 million, you get 0.11171875. Number 4 can be written as 4 times 2, and 4 can be written as 2 times 2, and then 15 can be written as 5 times 3. Because the denominator is not just a 2 or a 5, there's a 3 in there, it is going to be infinite. In number 5, we have 3 and 28 can be broken down into 4 times 7. 4 can be rewritten as 2 times 2. But this one is also infinite because the denominator contains other factors besides 2's and 5's.